Well, now that the rain is set in, that's the rain, that's it set in. There's nothing to do but work under the shop. And it's time for a little mini excavator maintenance. The first thing is the original fan belt. I think it's time. What do you think, Tim?
About 3,000 hours.
You think in 3,380 something hours. I think that's why it was squeaking.
Money out of that.
And we're going to go ahead and change all the oil on it. Fuel filter, going to do the hydraulic, change the hydraulic oil on it. I haven't found the filters for that. I think we took this panel off. I don't know. Hopefully they'll have a diagram at the dealer. I think the filter's in there. Could be wrong. Maybe somebody will know. Or I'll probably figure it out before I post this video, but it says it's got two. It's got an intake filter and a return filter. Hopefully I can find it on the, I was figuring it had like a filter like that size but longer, but no. And we did a little work on the trailer. We had to repair a spring. It was broken. We put a new board on the ramp. Yep. Now we'll just work on this tomorrow. So today we're going to do some much needed maintenance on the Yanmar. We're going to be changing the hydraulic fluid in it along with the oil and the fuel filter. Already changed the air filter and put a new belt on it. And Tim has just dropped his ratchet in the bucket of oil. A 3/4 inch drive. We're going to pull the drain plug out on the Yanmar. Get the fluid drained out. Hopefully it don't hold no more than 10 gallons because that's all I got bucket wise, or worst case I can run over there and get another pan.
Am I going the right way?
Yeah, righty tighty lefty loosey. Hey, you dropped it in the bucket again. Probably moved the bucket out of the way until it's
I was trying to be ready so I wasn't scrambling for a bucket.
Yeah. I mean, you're putting the damn mojo on it. Here, you're going the right way. I think that's the drain plug. I hope so. On a side note, Tim was going the wrong way.
Upside down.
But the good news is it'll tighten up about another turn if it really needs to be tightened.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wasn't really paying attention.
It was
You're going the right way from standing up here, but you were definitely going the wrong way. But it happens because you fooled me. But I wasn't really paying attention. Oh, so fluid should come out any minute. Is it getting looser?
Yeah.
Okay. Definitely going the right way now. I mean, we have a 50-50 shot. And both of us were 50% wrong. No, we were 100% wrong. It's been a damn good little machine though. I gotta change I gotta put a little antifreeze in it. Yep. Put a new air filter in it. I got everything stretched out so that all the fluid would be in the tank. Not yet. Was it got a mile long drain plug on it?
Yeah.
You want me to do it?
You want to take over for a second?
I can.
Between that and the valve, I'm not working my shoulders.
That way I can. The what?
Between that and turn that valve today.
Oh yeah. Tim opened the valve on the lake too. He got to turn the Mega. I'm putting my safety gloves on here. That way I can eat lunch and it not taste like hydraulic fluid.
That's my favorite.
Little.
Ribs with some AW46.
Yeah. Hopefully I don't drop this here plug in the, oh yeah. Let's not get splattered. Pull my sleeve up. I don't know how much pressure is going to come out. Okay, now we got the, Tim, I tell you what, go grab that other catch pan over there. Just for some reason, 2's not enough. 2 should be enough, but it's filling this damn bucket up pretty quick. It shouldn't hold over 10 gallons, I wouldn't think. That oil will really need, this oil has never been changed. Good on maintenance. I wonder, do you think you can take the bucket out if I hold this up under there?
Yeah.
Let me spin it so you can get to the handle. Because we're running out of time here.
Ready?
No, not yet. Now I am. Do you like that? That was like textbook.
It sells Starbucks.
Mocha latte? Mochaccino latte?
Soy veggiccino.
This is vegetable oil. Safety first, friends. Safety first. I don't know why. Better get this pan ready. That one doesn't seem like it's a little dark, ain't it?
A little bit.
Oh well, I just have to get over it. Look at that. Hole in one. The new fluid isn't that dirty, Tim. Drain the fluid. Alright, well let's get this drained and then we'll change some filters after we find them. So this is the first time I've personally, dropped the bolt down in there. Well, let's go ahead and find the bolt.
Where's that
Where's
light
the
at?
damn flashlight at?
Oh, there it is.
That's your fault, Tim. That is your fault. I dropped the damn bolt in there.
Fox, I put you on camera too quick.
Put me on camera too quick. The hell did it go?
Did it fall all the way through?
It can't. There's a damn pan right here. We really need that bolt back. Are you shitting me? Oh, there it is. Put that right there. Tim, don't lose any more bolts. Best I can figure out, there's a spring in here, and it's going to try to push this cover off. So, it's a good size spring too. Hopefully I don't. Oh dear. Yeah, this could get interesting. Why has it got so much damn pressure on it? Watch it lunge out.
You're shooting.
I'm telling you, it's got some damn pressure on it. Good God. It's a good spring. Why? I don't know what I'm doing. I mean, there's a first, you don't know until you don't learn until you try. Okay, there's the spring. Let's catch some of this oil. Not lose those. There's something.
There would be a filter.
Here's the filter. Let's move our cardboard. We only got one piece of cardboard. I'm say that needed to be changed. Let's see, that would be this filter. They're the same on both ends. The numbers are facing out, so I'll put this one in with the number facing out. I don't think it really makes a difference. But that's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna figure out where that other one goes. I think I'm going to push that fluid out of there into that pan with a rag. Let's not get this dirty. Let's see, so it only clean down here.
Can you reach your hand there? You want that stick?
No, I'm just gonna kind of push it. It's gonna go somewhere. Clean that out. Hear it running into the tank.
Yeah.
It's a learning process. I mean, you don't learn until you
Screw it up
shine
once.
that in there, Tim, and show everybody what we got. We got a that's something. That's where the filter goes.
Filter housing, I guess you want to call it.
Clean that up. Pretty decent in there. Alright. A-ring looks pretty good. Let's put our filter in here. Best I can tell, it just goes on that sleeve right there, like so. And we probably need to clean this off. Yeah, let's clean that off. Let's get a new rag for that. Doohickey there. I won't say it need to be clean. It might run smoother now. Might run smoother now. Yeah, like that. And the spring went in there. That's clean. Yeah, it's not crap. It's just a weld in there. Stuff that melt gloves. That cleaned up pretty decent. Can't do nothing else today. It's a little wet. It rained about 3 inches last night. Does it matter? I don't think that matters. That goes right there, and then what we do with our bolts right here. Let's see how good Chris is. Good gracious. Good God. Force into it here. One started. We got another one started. Of course, my hand's right there with that one. Needs to go right there. Let's go ahead and get one of them tightened up. Alright. It's kind of at least where it needs to be. Should start fairly easy there now. Wonder if we got to like bleed air out of here.
Out of the lines?
I don't know. I mean, it should fill up, wouldn't it?
I think so.
I don't know. One step closer to get a new mini, we burn the pump up on us.
I have a phone call. I'll wait. You can make that phone call after I leave today.
We got the fluid changed in it, but
We need to change the pump now.
pumps. Might as well clean the pump out with a new one. I wonder if that's like a little bleeder plug. We may crack it when we fill it up with fluid.
Yeah.
Alrighty, well that filter's changed. Now I've got one more. I can't figure out where it goes. The best thing I can figure out, it goes right there. It's the only thing I see where it could possibly go. So we're going to do a little investigating and we'll be back. Alright, we about got the moment of truth. Can you even see in here?
Yeah, you
It's
can
too
see a
dark.
little bit.
Wonder if there's, I hope that damn filter's in there. My glove's about to fall off. Oh, hallelujah. How the hell do you get it out of there? How goddamn long is that filter? About 6 inches. Wonder if it pops off. Let's look at the new one first here. Does that screw in? Oh, let's see what we got here. This thing was probably $100. Okay, it screws on. I guess I can just screw it on, right?
Yeah.
It's got a big ass.
You see an adjustable?
Might need a pair of pliers for it. Oh, that's
spinning pretty easy.
I don't know if that's supposed to spin or not. I don't know. Hold on. I think it's gonna come off, and we'll just separate them. Okay. I'm gonna say that need to be changed too. Oh no, we're good.
Yeah, 'cause it's got new threads.
Yeah, I was thinking that was a damn nut and that screwed into it.
Yes, that just threads right onto there.
Well, there is our filter friends.
Yeah.
Oh, let me show you the drain plug. I got the where was it?
It's on the track.
I know that, but it's got magnets on it. And considering it has probably never been changed, I didn't think that was an ungodly amount of metal shavings or metal debris for almost 3,400 hours. It had just a little bit of paste around it. Not too bad. Well, I guess we can just go ahead and screw that one on. The crow. Now I can see me just like somehow pushing this up into the tank and losing it. Please just screw on. There we go. I get excited when stuff actually works the way it should.
Heck, after that trailer ramp saga.
You have no idea. You actually do. You were there.
They missed the first two.
They did. I'm getting all dirty. That's pretty tight. All right. All we gotta do. Actually, I'm gonna clean that off real good, and then we'll put it back together. All right. Well, we'll be back when we start putting some fluid in this bad boy. Well, it was a pain in the butt to try to film filling it up with fluid. So, put 10 gallons in it. Pretty well where it needs to be. I'm going to start it up and let it run for a second or two, and see if it moves any, and then I'll adjust accordingly if it needs a little bit more. Well, let me just reach up here and start it up. Hopefully it don't make no bad sounds. It's going down. Yeah, let's add a little more to it. It's filled up those filters with oil now.
You want me to grab that bucket I got?
Yeah, grab that and we'll put some more in here.